Hello everyone, Petalisbless here. I'm coming on today to show you how I made these two centerpieces that you can use for any special event you're having using dollar store bowls and more. And these are the items that we're using for our first DIY. Okay, so I have this bowl from the Dollar Tree. A nice bowl, you've seen me use them before, but this time I'm making a centerpiece with it. So I have these gems here. So I'm just gonna get to sticking the gems going around the bowl and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay, here's the bowl all done. I just added the gems going around and round and round. I've done it before in another video in case you didn't see it. I'll leave the link to that video in the description box so you can check it out. Okay, so now we have some of our spike glam that we have here. Oh my god. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue them going around our vase. Okay, as you can see here, I cut them into strips. And I'm just gonna be gluing them going around our bowl. I said vase a while ago. Sorry you guys, it is a bowl, not a vase. Alright everyone, I just want to quickly share with you what I got in from Beebeecraft. I got some new items, lots of bling mirrors in rose gold, gold, and our regular silver color. And I got some more of the glam sheets, and I got some black one. I'm going to try the black. Yeah, we'll see how that works out. And I have my silver glam chains that I like in gold and silver. And then this bling that I'm using today, the spike bling, OMG. So I'll be using these glam items in upcoming DIYs. So I'm just going to continue laying the strips going around our bowl. And now our bowl is all finished. Doesn't that look nice with the spikes? And then we have this another clear bowl here. And we're just going to use some glue or E6000, whatever you like, and glue it to the top. And now I have this filler here that I got from Michael's. Nice little silver pieces. So we're just going to put them all over inside of our bowl on the top. It's a fast, simple, and easy DIY. And now I'm going to use some roses that I have, some black roses. I got these roses Halloween time in the Dollar Tree, but you know, you could use any color rose that you like for your event theme. Whatever color you're using, that's the color flowers you will use. And here's our finished look. I think it turned out lovely. A nice, glam, and easy centerpiece for any event that you're having, whether it's a wedding, a birthday, an anniversary. I think it would make a lovely centerpiece for your event table. And here's how it looks with some tea lights underneath the bottom. I think this brings it up a notch, makes it look even more lovely. I think it looks so nice with little silver, the vase fillers that they call them. They look so nice with that inside. So leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think of today's DIY number 1. Alright everyone, on to DIY number 2. And these are the items that we'll be using. Okay, once again we have the same bowls that we had for DIY number 1. And I'll be using the same gems, So I'm just going to go ahead and put them on. Okay, here they are, all on the bowl. Oh, I think there's something on the bowl. Oh boy. Anyways, this is a bowl. So now I am going to add the spikes again, just like before. And I'll just whip through that quickly. Not going to show you everything again. Just give you a little piece of it. Now I have this vase that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I will be adding some of our spike bling to it. And I'll be using some hot glue to glue it going around the vase. And now I'll be adding a smaller amount going around the top part of the vase. Next, we'll be adding some of these Glam ribbons that I got from Beebeecraft. And I'm just using some hot glue to add them to the vase. You can use any adhesive that you would like when you're doing your crafting. Now we're adding the silver one. First was the blue and silver, now we're adding the silver ribbon. And now adding some more of the blue and silver ribbon going around. Okay, here we have our two pieces all done. So I'm just going to use some E6000 and glue our two pieces together. And here is our second look. Another Glam centerpiece idea for any event that you're having using the bowls. And our Glam from Beebeecraft to make two lovely centerpiece. And like I said, this one is centerpiece number 2. And here we go with some tea lights inside of this one. I think it looks lovely with the lights at the bottom. And here I added some water and a floating candle inside. I think it looks beautiful. You can add flowers or you can add candles. I think this centerpiece will look lovely both ways. I love how it turned out. Simply using the bowls. So do you like it by itself? Just like this? Or do you like it with the lights inside and still plain up top, maybe with some flowers or some idea like that? Or like this with the floating candle inside? Leave me a comment down below and let me know which decor style you liked. Alright everyone, that's all your girls got for you today. So I will leave the link below to Beebeecraft so you guys can go over and check out the nice items that they have. And remember, as always, to stay blessed from Petalisbless, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye bye everyone.